everyone! We are the water guardians from SMK Baki, Kuala Lumpur. My name is Tanishka Maishwaran.
I am Nur Khalida Damia binti Abdul Halim.
I'm Li Jiaxuan.
My name is Nur Ala Adriana binti Kiranizam.
I am Nur Zaira Safia binti Ahmad Tajuddin. I bet you already know that our project has something to do with water, as we are the water guardians. So let's dive into our project, the Water Margaret. As you can see, the current problem that is currently being faced at our school is the unstableness of water supply, especially in the toilets and labs, which leave many students and teachers hygiene issues while bringing big inconvenience for students to wash the apparatus to do cleanup after their experiment.
Here's where the Water Maverick comes in to solve these troublesome issues that we believe does not only occur in our school, but most of the schools in Malaysia. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how it actually works. Firstly, the Water Maverick collects rainwater as a source of water. Next, the rainwater will undergo water purification with the help of the filters, which removes all the particulates in the water. The clean water is then stored in the tank and ready to be distributed through pipes to access water supply in school toilets and labs.
In conjunction of the team DIY Meet Simple 2023, we plan to repurpose plastic bottles, beverage cans to store filter layers. Other than that, there are 8 layers in each filter of the Water Maverick, which function to ensure the cleanliness of water supply that will be used by the teachers, students, and even the workers. Last but not least, the table shows the list of things that will be used and the estimation of the total cost of the Water Maverick, which is approximately Rm 218.80 cents.
That's all from us. Please do consider our ideas wisely.
Thank you so much for lending us your ears and time.